Alrighty, so now I'm going to be showing you how to use the online databases that we have that you can use to do research for pretty much anything. You can always use books that you would use for catalog search, like I showed in a previous video, but these are for searching like journals or academic papers or something like that. You can access these free with your Already Access account. So we're going to go to, on the homepage, dcls.org, Research and Resources, and from the drop down you're going to select School Tools. And then it's going to show you this. I'm going to take us to middle school resources. And there are all of these resources and databases that we have for you. You can look through them on your own. I am going to show you one that I think is they're all very useful. This one, Patriot News, has a database of like Harrisburg area newspapers all the way back to 1986. If you want to look through that, there's also newspapers.com, which goes back as far as the 1700s. I've used that quite a lot to look for newspapers and like newspaper articles for like history projects and things like that. Novelist Plus is really good for finding books that you might like. I find it a lot it's really helpful for finding read alikes for a book that I read and I want to read something similar. Novelist Plus is really good. A lot of library staff use that for a reader's advisory, so that's a really good resource for you. Power Teens, there's full text research, e-resources, that kind of thing. There's a lot of things. Mango is a new language learning platform that is really helpful as well. So I'm going to walk you through how to use the Power Library. So you can find all of these, or most of these at least, on the Power Library, which is right here. It is available to all Pennsylvania library card holders. And like you'll see, some of the ones we saw on the last page are here and some new ones. So on this page, you can even see auto repair source. So this would be like, it's auto repair. It's stuff that you would use to help like fix your car, maybe how to change your oil, things like that. Staying safe online, EBSCO, ebooks, things like that. There's a whole lot of stuff on here that would take me a long time to go through with you, but you can always come on here and look through yourself. It's really, really helpful. There is also you see on this, Power Chat with a Librarian. You can always, there are librarians from all over the state that you can fill this out. If you have a research question or a question that you want answered, you can send that to them and they will find an answer for you. It's a really good resource. So we are going to, there's also the button here. So we are going to try Academic OneFile, and I'm doing Academic OneFile because it is peer-reviewed full-text articles from academic journals. Peer-reviewed is really good because that means that other people in the field, that the author read the paper and thought that it was good, and so it's been read by and approved by multiple professionals in the field. So that's really good. So there we can browse by discipline. If that is helpful for you, I'm going to do an advanced search because I think that's most helpful for research, things like this. So let's say we are doing a research project on the Treaty of Paris. I don't know if that came to my mind. Treaty of Paris. Oops, sorry. Treaty of Paris. And it will show you a bunch of these things. You can narrow it down. You can look for maybe America's role in the Treaty of Paris. So let's just search America, maybe. And so you can choose and, or not. So that would be, you want to search for the Treaty of Paris and it contains America. These quotes around America means that you're looking for that exact phrase of America.